Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021. Buehler hosts its first Future of Malting Symposium on September 15, 2021.
Caption News on receiving HSBU's German Innovation Awards 2021.
Leadership is not necessarily focused on control and power, rather, it adds value and influence to motivate employees to contribute to business success. Siratek.
Richardson reels in American giant, purchases largest U.S. durum and semolina processor.
FAO price indices for oils, EDS, vegetable oils, and oil meals.
Cherry Bangla Agricultural University Professor Jamal Uddin is leading the country in red gold saffron cultivation.
Spanish study suggests a more effective way to convert cold stored olives.
Use of drone technology increases income in agriculture.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Tech is Tanpul, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.